one other thing is that I want to look at market-based indicators, market-based evidence that inflation could be a problem. So that's when I turn to market sectors that are highly correlated to inflation, or that tend to perform well during periods of high and rising inflation. Copper has one of the highest correlations, if not the highest correlation, to long-term inflation break-even rates. Gold mining stocks are among the best performers when inflation is high and rising. Look what they're doing this year, and look at the patterns that we're continuing to track. Well, look beyond the bullish setup and think about, what does this mean for the macro environment? And so those are things I'm watching that I am concerned about. So, all these things coming together at the same time, I think there's a lot of upside risks to inflation. And given that, I think this is very interesting how this chart is tracking to what we saw during the 1970s. The green line on here tracks current CPI. So here's where we are at the moment. The blue line is that inflation cycle from the 1970s. And if we keep tracking this cycle, you would expect to see a very significant inflection higher in inflation here really soon.